Wagwan people, this is Jada from Jamaican Sinting. You know, today I want to talk to you guys about a little something that I noticed that Jamaicans love to do. We love to repeat our words. To repeat our words. To repeat our words. Okay, not like that. But Jamaicans have some words that I believe were brought with our African ancestors to Jamaica. And maybe it is coming from that custom that we repeat these words in our language today, and we often do it for emphasis, you know, to kind of say that the thing is very, very something, whatever that word is, okay? So, in order for you to understand, let me explain. Because I notice sometimes when like the place just in a total disarray, in a kind of way that your mother would blow a fuse when you come in your room and she see that the bed not make up, all of the dirty clothes on the bed, on the ground, everything thrown in the cupboard, everything just topsy-turvy, and she about to blow a fuse. Then she say,
then I make the place so chaka chaka.
The place chaka chaka. Then now, she decide to drop some lick on your skin. What she going to say there for? She want the good strong belt. She don't want the one where fenke. So now, when time your mother send you go shop and you take very, very long to come back. I wish I take go so. Did I make you take so long to come back? You know, say, why would they move to shop? Then no, warm to when you're up and down like gallivant like good kid. And your mother is giving you the stern warning about dropping. Mind you drop and chamba up your knee. And try make sure say, you know, overstay upon the phone. Like, oh, you know, say, please say, we can't believe it because yes, girl, yeah, man, then I'm from Bonnie, you know, no, say, and some me know, say, I'm your friend, and some me know, what you mean? Because your mother is always close
You don't
by.
know work?
Wondering, what you do on the phone so long? We make you chat so long on the phone? We make you labba off your mouth? Oh my, they're not the worst when I'm mating season. Oh gosh. Come look here.
Come on now. All right. You be standing still. Oh, yeah, that's it. Don't move. I got it.
Remember Dugu. You ever buy like a bag of cookie or one bag of bread, and when you open the bag and take it out, they are all broken into pieces. Then we say, it broke up. Then let me tell you something. You see, some people cook some rice sometime, and it just... We say it piaka. Let me talk about some people. Yeah, some people where can chat some stupidness.
Okay, let me understand something. Like, Jamaica is like so small. Surely you must all like know each other, right?
We say them FUUL. Then no, what about the people that will have this whole heap of bag and pan? Bag and pan is when you have scandal bag, crocus bag, duffel bag, suitcase, what heap of things walking around and struggle up with. Then we say, you are logo.
I come back.
Of course, you know that you're only allowed to check in 2 pieces, sir.
Listen up. I wake up early before daylight this morning. Leave me yard and batter upon the minibus. You ever take a minibus dress up in a winter coat, ears muffins and gloves yet? With 2 suitcases?
How about the people that where every wish part them go, them walk and nyam anything from anybody?
No wanga belly, nyami nyami. No licky licky, no nyami nyami. Too greedy. No licky licky, no nyami nyami. Sumpai.
Oh, wait. No, one more. Uncle one. Only one. Just one alone. One dege one. One dege one. Dege.